This is the 13th episode of the largest viewer voting on Earth. Here are the 7 remaining members of the Have-Cots. Here are the 7 remaining members of the Have-Nots. Here are the 6 remaining members of the strongest team on Earth. Here are the 7 remaining members of Death Pact again. Here are the 5 remaining members of Are You Okay? Here are the 8 remaining members of Team 8s. Here are the 6 remaining members of the S. Here are the 6 remaining members of Just Not. Here are the 9 remaining members of the Exeters. Here are the 6 remaining members of Group 1. Here are the 6 remaining members of Group 2. Here are the 6 remaining members of Group 3. Here are the 5 remaining members of Group 4. Here are the 8 remaining members of the mini competitors. Here are the 8 remaining members of the Again competitors. Here are the 9 remaining members of the Deluxe competitors. Here are the 8 remaining members of the mini Davidians. Here are the 9 remaining members of the Delicious competitors. Here are the 12 remaining members of the Replicas competitors. Here are the 9 remaining members of the Natural competitors. Here are the 15 remaining members of the Resort competitors. And here are the 9 remaining members of the Team from Elsewhere. Last episode, the Deluxe competitors were selected to be a full nation. Credit Card uses his Yo-Yo token and becomes Yo-Yo Credit Card. Mocha uses her Theft token to steal Puppet's Preserve token. Lithium uses her Acquire token. Now let's move on to the voting. Yellow Watermelon, Puppet, Teabag, Mocha, Marble Soda, Yo-Yo Credit Card, and Banana Apple were the only ones who got 0 votes. Lithium and USB are the bottom 2. Jerome Johnson was the first person to vote and he voted USB. This time we got only 3 votes. And with only 1 vote, the last contestant safe is Lithium. It's me, Romeo GD voted USB for being a loser, which doesn't make sense because USB won the season. By random selection, Group 3 wins the tokens. League gets a revenge token. Non-existent gets a swap token. Onigiri gets a win token. PDA gets a revenge token. Rubber Spatula gets a swap token. And Salt Lamp gets a first token. By random selection, Group 2 is up for elimination. Voters, vote off either camera, clapboard, conch shell, disky, income tax return document, or kitchen sink. The person with the most votes will be eliminated. Voting ends on August 5. Who do you want to be eliminated in episode 14? Tell me in the comments.